Guys, the aroma in this kitchen is beyond belief. Oh my God, look at that. It is so yummy and it smells so good and it tastes so nice. Oh God, you don't want to miss it out. If you want to know how we put all of these together, you need to keep on watching. In the meantime, let's get cooking. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, we are cooking you chicken curry. We are cooking chicken curry with this chicken breast here, these two large chicken breasts. And we will be cooking that with all of these ingredients and some more. So first we are going to go on and cut our potatoes, dice them as they were already nice and peeled. So we just dice them like that. Then the carrots and put it in the middle. Put them on the top of the potatoes. Now the onions. Those goes in here. Tomatoes now. Goes in here. Right, so now we are moving on to our chicken breast. I'm gonna take some of these bits out. So guys, we have finished with the prepping. Now let's jump in the cooking. Let's go. So guys, we are going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil in the pot and we shall leave that to heat up a little bit. Oil's nice and hot. We are going to add our diced onions in. Give it a stir. Let that fry until it is nice and golden. While the onion is frying, we are going to go on and add our bay leaf and our cinnamon sticks in and let them fry together. So guys, this onion has fried and it is golden. That's how we wanted it. So we also went off camera and added the star anise, which is right here. We've added a couple of them. And the aroma in this kitchen is irresistible. Smelling so good already. So we're going to go on and add our minced garlic and our minced ginger in. Now we're going to add our diced tomatoes in. Give that also a good old stir. So guys, these things have been cooking here for 3 minutes and it's looking nice. So we're going to go on and add our potatoes and our carrots, which is already drained from the water. And then we mix all of those together as well. Then we're going to add our spices in. And we give them a stir. So at this point we are going to put a lid on it and let the potato and the carrot cook for about 5 minutes. Then we shall carry on. Okay, let's check our curry. Give it a stir. Lovely. So it's been 5 minutes already and this is perfect. So at this point we are going to go on and add our diced chicken in. Give them all a stir. Put the lid back on and leave that to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see this cooking here. This is smelling so good, guys. The aroma in this kitchen today, God. Very nice. It's cooking so perfectly well. So we are going to go on and add some Greek low-fat yogurt. Right, coming up. That should do. And then we give it a stir. So now we are going to turn the heat down and let everything cook well. Alright. So guys, this curry is done. Let's give it a final stir, and the smell in the kitchen here, oh my God, you just don't want to miss it out. You do not want to miss it out. It's smelling so good. So we're finally coming to turn the gas off and we shall be plating up. So guys, this is it, our final step of our curry experience. And we have made the whole Asia proud. If you think we have smashed this curry experience, put it on the comment section below. We've got everything here, from poppadoms to naan breads, rice, dipping sauces, and it's all here. And the aroma, I keep saying that it's so good in the house here today. If you think we have smashed this curry experience, don't forget to hit the like. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on contents. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, we are thanking our members on our membership club. What more could we do without their support, and everyone else? Come and enjoy this lovely meal with us. We love you all. Until we come on you again soon. Goodbye.